What a wonderful day! A new day begins.
Hi, guys! What is this? Are you ready?
A drill and an excavator are fixing the road.
Nice!
A tow truck brings a road roller to the shop to be fixed.
What happened?
Tow truck. Excavator.
Come here! Okay. Let's go! Open!
Drill truck.
Very nice. Hey, you.
Clamshell excavator.
It's a disappear. Cool. Are you ready? What happened?
Oh no! Oh no! The power is out in the repair shop.
What are you doing? Look at this. Oh my god.
It turns out the excavator accidentally broke a power line.
Are you ready? Okay.
Don't worry,
Let's go.
the tow truck is bringing a solar panel. The sun can make electricity.
It's a disappear. Transformation!
Crane truck.
Bravo! What's next?
A crane puts the solar panel on the roof.
I like it. Yeah! It's so nice. What is this? I got it. What's next?
Once it's plugged in,
amazing.
the lights in the shop
Yeah.
turn on.
It's my time. Amazing.
The excavator fixes the power line.
Who's next? Bravo!
And the road roller gets a new tire.
Let's go!
Roller truck.
Are you ready?
It makes the road nice and smooth.
Good job! Wow! Okay,
Great job, mission complete.
good job! Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.